around this very important church dedicated to Saint Francis of Assisi, which together with the other places of worship represents a decisive reception of the document of human fraternity drawn up here in Abu Dhabi by Pope Francis, a Grand Imam of Al-Azhar.
Hope for me, for us family, is like never-ending faith with God.
So hope to me means peace for my family, and it means peace for all the people here in United Arab Emirates. That's what it means. That's what hope means.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Peace be with you. And with your spirit.
Go on your way. Behold, I'm sending like lambs among wolves. Carry no money bag, no sack, no sandals, and greet no one along the way. Into whatever house you enter, first say, peace to this household.
So I had the joy today to have my pastoral visit to the St. Francis Church in the Abrahamic family house. Although this community is part of the parish of St. Joseph's, I wanted to visit the community gathered here in this church to celebrate Mass.
We had the chance to share with him the beautiful activities that we did throughout all the year. And receiving from him the special blessing gave us the strength and the courage to start the new pastoral year with a lot of hope, as the theme of the Jubilee taught us, and with the peace in our heart that we are all together in one body as one church.
This is the day we can say thank you to him. This is the day we can say thank you to St. Joseph's Parish for all the support. And not only just to them, to all the people who work here, Christians, Muslims, people from different faiths who support us and help us from each day to day to make this church work. It's been a little home of worship for many families and a community together.
So the Mass this morning here was absolutely so beautiful and just brought so much peace to my heart. It was so spiritual.